Ria Money Transfer at Walmart is one of the most convenient ways to send and receive money both domestically and internationally. Known for its speed, affordability, and global reach, Ria Money Transfer makes money movement accessible to everyone. Whether you search Ria Money near me or walk directly into a Walmart, the options are simple and efficient. Here are the top 5 easiest ways to find and transfer using Ria Money Transfer. Go to your nearest Walmart and head to the Money Center. Ask for Ria Money Transfer services. Provide your ID and the recipient's details. Funds can be picked up at any Ria location worldwide. Available on both Android and iOS, the Ria app allows you to initiate transfers right from your phone. Choose your payment method, add the receiver, and confirm the transfer securely. Use the official website to send money from your desktop. It offers live exchange rates and transfer status tracking. Find authorized Ria agents instantly by using your current location. It's a handy way when you're unsure where the closest service point is. Not sure where to start? Call 1-800-WALMART and ask for information on Walmart Ria transfer options. Transfer fees depend on the destination and payment method. Typically, fees at Walmart start from as low as $4 for domestic transfers and go up depending on the amount and country. The Ria website and app both show the exact fee and exchange rate before confirmation. With over 500,000 locations globally, including most Walmart stores, finding a Ria Money Transfer location is easy. Many transfers are available for cash pickup in minutes. Ria often offers better exchange rates compared to banks and other providers. Choose between cash pickup, bank deposit, or mobile wallet delivery. Track your transfer status using the app or website instantly. To learn more, visit www.riamoneytransfer.com or check Ria services at www.walmart.com.